Hey guys, welcome to Tutorialguru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a poll in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a poll in Viber, first open up your Viber app and open the chat box where you had created the poll over here. Like this, you can see over here I had created this, or I had made this poll earlier on the group. Now in order to delete a poll in Viber, it is very simple. It's like deleting any message on Viber itself. So tap and hold on the message like this, where you can see guys, this kind of pop-up box will appear if you tap and hold on the message, and the delete button will be available for you just below the pin. Tap on delete and you can see this kind of pop-up will appear. If you want to delete it for yourself only, tap on delete for myself, but if you want to delete it for everyone, tap on delete for everyone. And that being done guys, that poll will be deleted on your chat. And guys, this is how to delete a poll in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.